Hey guys, so we're looking at this question here, which is constructing the the constraints. This is from the textbook, so we're going to do that first question together. So let's have a look at it here. So it says, an importer purchases 2 brands of cricket helmets. Red Cherry helmets cost $80 each, and Deep Gully helmets cost $120 each. The importer can invest a maximum of $4,800 and can put no more than 50 helmets. Suppose the importer purchases Red Cherry helmets and Deep Gully helmets. Find the constraints. Well, in this one here, we've got red and we've got blue. Okay, so let's put this down here. We know red's going to be X and Y is going to be blue. So when we do this along this instance here, what we want to do is we want to work out what are the two things that are actually being compared. Okay, so we've got the price. So let's put price here. And we've also got the amount of helmets. Okay. So once we do this part here, we can start talking about, well, how much each one goes in there. So it tells us that a Red Cherry costs $80. And the Deep Gullies cost $120. Okay. And they can invest a maximum of $4,800. So if it's a maximum, remember down here, maximum is going to be something like less than or equal to. Okay, if they said a minimum, well, it's going to be greater than or equal to. So in this case, because it's a maximum, we're going to say they can only invest this amount of money. Okay. The next one is the amount. Well, if we look at this question here, it says they can import X red and they can import no more than 50 helmets. So we can say here it's got to be less than or equal to 50. But it doesn't tell us how many of helmets each they have. So we need to make sure when we look at this question that what's the least amount of helmets you're going to have? Well, we know they're going to have one of each. So they're going to have an X and a Y. So one helmet of Red Gully and one helmet of blue, or Red Cherry and Blue Gully, sorry. So now, therefore, we've got our constraint for prices and we've got constraints for amount. So let's write that down here. Let's see, P for price is 80X plus 120Y is less than or equal to 4,800. And the amounts, which we'll put down as A, is X plus Y is less than or equal to 50. So these two here are your constraints for the importer's Red Gully and Red Cherry and Red Gully helmets. So that's just another example of what we did from what we did in boards before. So hopefully that makes sense. What I'd like you to have a go at now is I'd like you to have a go at the questions up in a textbook. All right, so they're on page, I'll just tell you, page 33, questions 2 through to 4. So just email me if you have any problems, and if not, good luck. Thanks a lot.